Hello, I'm Nam Swissa and I am the Global Customer Care Manager at Maytronics. Today we'll be speaking about what happens when the robot performs a wheelie, as in lifts the front wheels. First off, it's important to say that we have two types of robots. One robot with a single drive motor and the others with a dual drive motor. For single drive motors, performing a wheelie while trying to turn left or right is an intact action that is planned and programmed. In case the robot performs a wheelie while driving forwards or backwards, we might be facing an issue. But with 3 simple steps, we can verify where it originates at. First off, let's verify that the filters are not clogged or full. Take them out and wash them thoroughly with your garden hose. Afterwards, take a look at your blue cable and make sure that it's not tangled or very tangled already. In case it is, lay it out in the sun for at least 3 hours, and that way it can come back to its original state. Lastly, always make sure that the pool chemicals are properly balanced and that the pool's temperature stays in between 15 and 35 degrees Celsius.